The wireless tracker will update in trips mode for the first 20 events, then default to endurance 2-day. To change modes on your tracker, tap Change Mode in the bottom right corner. Select the mode you'd like to switch to. Here's a quick summary of each. Endurance 2-day updates every 41 hours. Endurance 1-day updates every 23 hours. Trips mode updates on every start and stop. Recovery mode updates on starts, stops, plus a 2-minute breadcrumb trail while moving. Keep in mind, the more frequently your device updates, the more battery it uses. Once you've selected your mode, choose a duration. 20 events means the device will update 20 times and then revert to its default mode. Most customers select 3 days for recovery mode. Just be aware this will impact battery life. When you're ready, tap Send Command. The next time the device checks in, it will wake up, receive the command, and begin tracking in the new mode. One more important note, please only send one command at a time. Sending multiple commands can clog the queue. Send once, then wait for the device to receive it before sending anything else. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're happy to help.